Hey guys, this is Levi again from Jordan's Observatory, and today we're going to be opening up two boxes that I just got in the mail. One is going to be the Explore Scientific lens carrying case, soft case, and inside the big box we're going to be opening up the Explore Scientific ED102 carrying case, the hard carrying case. So in the first box here we're going to have the, like I said, the lens case, Explore Scientific lens case. See, it comes wrapped in plastic as expected. Open that up quick. So here it is, right out of the plastic. You can see it's pretty small. It's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. I think it was about $35 for this case, but it's going to come quite in handy because up until now, I've pretty much just been using Tupperware to carry my lenses, and so it's going to be really nice to have this in the with the gear, with the setup. And as you can see, there's 3, 6, 9, 11 different slots here, and I think these are actually Velcro. You can actually peel these off. Yep, looks like these are Velcro. So you can kind of readjust these and create how many up to 10 different compartments, 11 different compartments for your gear. And you can see there's some little straps here on the far side, maybe for batteries or something like that. Anything you want to kind of strap in. That's nice. It's nice and padded. The padding on this is really nice and thick, so you can ensure none of your stuff's going to be damaged that you keep in there. So, and next up we've got the big box, which is going to have our hard telescope case, and I'm very excited for this. Up to now, I've basically just been carrying my telescope in the box that it came in with the attached scope on the top there. You can see that. Definitely not ideal for any sort of moisture or just the elements in general. And so, yeah, I'm really excited about this. This gives me something to do on these cold, cloudy winter months. So we're gonna get right to it here. So as you can see, it's very, very solid, pretty large case. Obviously it needs to be able to fit the scope. So we're gonna try to pull this out of here. One sec, I'm gonna have to set my phone down again. And there she is, right out of the box. It doesn't come in any sort of plastic covering or anything like that. You can see we've got the carrying handles on the side, just the latches on the back, carrying handle on the side. In the front here, we've got two latches and another carrying handle. You want to carry it kind of hot dog style. So I don't know exactly. Okay, so the concept with these is you just twist this over. You can see it. You'll see this one. This one's locked. Just gonna pop this out and just twist this to unlatch the top. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, there we go. Looks pretty great. We've got some foam down for our, here we have our, I forget what it's called, it's our mirror, it's kind of our reflector, so that gives us a better angle for any of our viewing lenses. There is room for a scope here, the finder scope, and I don't think, based on the length of mine, I don't think it's gonna fit, but that's all right. We can fill that with our things, and then I guess these are just slots for lenses or whatever else we might want to put in there. This is made for the lens cover and so on. And so we'll grab the scope now and see if we can get it in there. All right, here I've got the ED102 carbon fiber model, and I'm going to try to slide in there, and it's going to work pretty nice and snug. It actually works with the guide scope mounting rings on there. It actually fits right in there, which is nice. It's nice and snug, maybe a little too snug. But as you can see, this is not going to fit in there, so we're going to have to remove that for any time we're putting it in the case. And for me, I think it's going to be simpler just to take off these rings around the scope and just put that in a separate box with a lot of the other stuff I'm carrying in a box than it is to remove this, because then you have to realign this every time. So yeah, but it looks like it fits real snug. So all right, so we've got everything packed away into the case. We've got the telescope and some USB cables. We've got the attachment. We've got a lens. Actually, I think that's just another attachment. We got a camera body, camera lens, headlamp, attachment extenders for the tube. We've got some electrical tape just in case I need some for the cables, a camera adapter or a USB adapter and camera charger, and we've got a lot packed into here. You can fit a surprising amount of stuff into this case. And a lot of these areas go really deep, so that's really nice. You can fit lots in here. And then for the lens case, you can see I've got most of my lens packed away in there with some additional things and a rig. And there we have it. So thanks for watching. See you next time.